Hey everybody, 316 Pyro Freaks back again with part 2 of the pickup from the road trip to meet up with Broke Cracker. Gonna give him a special thanks again for the hookup, man. He really hooked me up. I think these are a French cracker. They're definitely foreign market. I've read this here is actually supposed to be the powder count. I'm not sure if that's for the whole brick or for each strip of 400, but if that's each strip of 400, they ought to be pretty good bangers. We got a duck penny pack. I think these are a reproduction. I'm not 100% sure. Anybody knows if these are original or about how old they are, that'd be really cool to know. I've heard they're pretty sweet. We've got some, I think these are older UN hail bombs. Pyro Predator 300s. I've never shot any of these, so I'm not sure, how good they are or not. I don't really know much about them. It's not a brand that's available in my area. Next thing he gave me is this is a pretty sweet brick. I think it's pretty new. I know they're all red crackers. He gave me some packs of them. Dragonfly Fireworks is the brand. But that's just a sweet package. It's in pretty much perfect shape. These are packaged really well. I got some Shogun 4812 jumping jacks. They're really small. They're not the big fat old ones. But jumping jacks are getting harder and harder to find that where they're worth a crap anymore. So we'll find out when we do some of the loose packs. He gave me not one, but 2 bricks of mermaid crackers. I wrapped these up because they were mint, and I want to make sure they stay that way. See if I can get a better angle on them. There we go. Really cool. Multicolored packs. Red, yellow, orange, green. Really cool. And a whole bunch of packs just to shoot them off. And check out the back wrap. Pretty sweet. Next thing he gave me, this is another one from the Dragonfly Fireworks brand. Another brand I've never heard of, never shot anything. I don't know where these are commonly found at, but Dragon Slayers, it's a badass pack. Really cool. Another mint pack. Next thing up, it's really cool. I know where you got these from. 100 Tau Unicorn. Awesome crackers. Really fast burning. Lots of titanium. Super loud. Great firecracker strips. Another one. 2 bricks of tank 1.5 inch. They're not the 2 inch, but I'm not sure how good they are. I've never shot any. I know the 2 inch ones are awesome. Have a cool back wrap. Got the logos on them. Really cool. And the last thing for this video, he told me these were extremely rare. Do not open them. I don't know anything about them. Never had any before. But he said these are the original Crazy Kaplan's Kick-Ass crackers. And they say they're a 1.5 8016, but these are pretty oversized because that's an 8016 and that's an 8016. So you could tell those are some hefty crackers, but I promised him I'd save it and won't open it. It had, you know, the cellophane was kind of coming off. I'll probably have it professionally rewrapped at Swap this year. We've got more coming. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.